Well, this cannot continue. Enough is enough. But as far as the conspiracy theory and the angles that are now concerned, this is, of course, rests with the investigation officials there. Because here the Samajwadi Party chief, Akhilesh Yadav, seems to be also raising questions, saying that how could such an incident happen with a VVIP like Ajit Pawar? He is, or rather was, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And now a former Chief Minister, Akhilesh Yadav, has now backed a demand for an impartial and fair probe, saying that such incidents raise serious questions.
साजिश भी बता रही है।
साजिश स्वाभाविक है क्योंकि बहुत बड़े नेता थे, डिप्टी सीएम कई बार रहे वो, और महाराष्ट्र के बहुत लोकप्रिय नेता रहे। और अगर ऐसी घटना हो जाए, और आज के समय पे जहां हम इतने जागरूक हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी को इतना समझते हैं चीज़ें, तो उन्होंने ठीक ही मांग की होगी, क्योंकि वीआईपी के साथ इस तरह की घटना न हो। तो एक बार को ये बात तो साफ होनी चाहिए कि आखिरकार ये घटनाएं क्यों हुई। पूर्व में भी कई हमारे वीआईपी इसी तरह उनकी जान गई है। तो आखिरकार ऐसी जांच हो जिससे निष्पक्ष पता लगे कि आखिरकार घटना किस वजह से हुई।
Well, Pragya, there would be several angles to this, you know, because an incident like this is life. It is unpredictable, highly unpredictable. It doesn't see that if one is a VIP or a commoner. But to this extent, to make such kind of statements, is it way too early to establish any link with conspiracy? Let the investigative agencies first do their job.
Absolutely, Amita. You are absolutely right on this count. And in fact, this is a very emotional time for all those who have loved Ajit Pawar and also the family. Because when statement like this, like conspiracy angles comes, even before the investigation begins, this also, make people, restless. And in fact, there is a lot of doubt that would be created in minds of family and also those who are the loved ones, irrespective of the fact whether this is an accident or this is a conspiracy theory. But it looks like that most of the opposition members are supporting Mamata Banerjee right now, including Akhilesh Yadav, saying that there should be investigation. Now, the government is also saying that there is no one is saying that there should not be investigation. In fact, there should be investigation as to what actually led to this accident. But to say that this is an attempt on his life, and that is why, this plane had been crashed. This looks like a very far-fetched conspiracy, and this also look like that someone is trying to create a rift within the people and also unrest, because this is a highly sensitive matter for many in Maharashtra as well, who had supported and who had loved and who had, known Ajit Pawar. So the sentiment people need not to be ignited. And in fact, this is also many in the, BJP are saying that this is very unfortunate incident, but this is also very unfortunate.
Let first the investigative agencies do their job. Let them find out exactly what may have been the cause, because any angle is something that cannot be ruled out. But the leaders, they're of course expressing condolences and grieving with the family members of Ajit Pawar. We have other reactions also coming in who have expressed shock on this development.
मुझे लगता है कि ममता बनर्जी जिस तरह डाउट उनके मन में है, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। ऐसे वक्त पर किसी ने राजनीति करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। जरूर इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, जरूर जांच होनी चाहिए, लेकिन वो हमारी मायावती छोड़ने वाले थे, इसीलिए इसके पीछे और कोई राज है, इसी तरह आरोप लगाना ठीक नहीं है। आज तक अनेक क्रैश हुए, उसमें क्रैश में अनेक नेता चले गए हैं, अनेक लोग चले गए हैं, लेकिन ऐसा डाउट मन में लेना अच्छी बात नहीं है।
अज्ञानी महिला है, इनकी बुद्धि जो है सटिया गई है। ऐसी दुखद घटनाओं पर, ऐसी संवेदनशील घटनाओं पर ऐसी बात करना उनको शोभा नहीं देता, क्योंकि इस प्रकार का बयानबाजी करके, कुछ विध्वंसक बातें करके, कुछ विमर्श फैला के समाज में ऐसा जहर फैलाने वाले ऐसा महिलाओं का मैं निषेध करता हूँ।
हम लोग सब बहुत शोकमय हैं कि इतना बड़ा हादसा सुबह सुबह हुआ है। आज पार्लियामेंट में सब यही बात कर रहे हैं कि कितना ज्यादा सब इसमें जो है, और सब लोग जो है हेलीकॉप्टर से सफर करते हैं, सब तरीके की, ये हम लोग भी इस तरह से ट्रैवल करते हैं। तो इस समय पर इतनी नीच बातें करना, आई थिंक ये बहुत ही, उनको भी थोड़ा तो मतलब संयम अपनाना चाहिए।